twas. What the? What up, guys? All right, we're gonna head to the garage. We're still waiting on more wrap for Shane's car, but we're gonna try to get most of it accomplished today. I'm gonna grab some merch and I'm gonna show you guys what we've been up to. We've been cleaning that place up, making it look like an actual store. Grab a couple lanyards, shirts, smalls, mediums, large. It's time to bring the toys out. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Mama! Mama! Are you actually gonna grab ice creams?
I want to.
Where and from who? Did you bring your lottery tickets?
Yes.
To check?
I have one in my bag.
Alright. Well, good luck. Even though I did check and I don't think I won nothing.
Dude, it's still 60 minutes so we could play again. And then we can try our luck, Fuck.
Dude, you're right about buying a ticket in Toronto and Ottawa, man. There's already been like 6 winners.
Yeah. Did you? Oh, we can check your Ontario ticket.
I already tried.
I
checked it over, twice, thrice, thrice. It's so nice outside. Come here. Right, Kanji's gonna be taking off with the Veris rear bumper. Is that gonna fit in your?
My Matrix?
Yeah. It's the Matrix.
Matrix, my nugget.
Oh, cool, man. I'm excited. Dude, honestly.
Oh, I didn't show you. I finally got everything on. Like, my phone livery is on. I'll send you a picture because my phone's dead.
Yo, for sure, dude.
I'll definitely send you a picture.
Heck yeah. Dude, I'm stoked.
Unless you guys are in the South lane.
I'm kind of jealous. Oh, really? Oh, we'll be here probably just cleaning up. Kanji in his little Matrix. Here in my garage. I sold that Veris rear bumper to Kanji. It's the replica kit. In my opinion, just go for real. Save you the trouble in the long run. How are you doing your shirt? Dude, it looks good. On camera. In real person? In third person?
Dude, this part's fucked.
How so? But this part? Oh, fuck. Man, sorry. I should have helped you. We can redo it. You just peel this back. Now that you've actually like lined it up that way, it'll be easier to put it back into shape. We can just heal this.
Cut this, dude.
Really?
Patch it. I don't even fucking.
Don't be a patch Adams, man. Like I said, there's not all that much left to do on this car. We're gonna get as much of it done as we can today. Show you guys what we got yesterday. And the fellows helped me install it too. Oh, look. Just store fixtures. You can tell I'm growing up when I'm just as excited for store fixtures as I am for car parts. It just makes the place look neater, I think. So I'm gonna clean up, organize, and rearrange stuff on the walls. And I know it's been a long time coming, but we're actually gonna be opening this store very, very soon. Oh, should just do your front windshield too. Let's cut, motherfucker. Huh? So we can get an angular shot. Oh, okay. Using my attacks.
Should we just kill the whole thing?
Yeah.
Hi.
Supposed to act natural, man.
Oh, really? Okay, redo.
Okay. You love rapping.
I hate rapping.
It's your calling.
Yeah, that's why it took me 6 months to do.
You want to do this for the rest of your life. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. That's what they all state. Yo, Kanji's gonna be repping the same rear bumper as me now. Alright, this is what we were busy installing yesterday. These wall fixtures. So I'm pretty sure these came from an actual store. The person who sold them to me told me that they were just collecting dust in his buddy's garage and his buddy wanted them out of it. I got inspired visiting the Next Mod shops in Toronto, whose operations were sick, by the way. They have a garage as well as pretty stocked up storefront, and it's nice. They can do vinyl work there. There's couches where you can chill. Kind of what I wanted for this place as well. I'm gonna be putting more lighting here, making this place a little more brighter. This is gonna double as a studio space as well as a storefront and a garage for us to be able to do car stuff. Also, the people who I bought those store fixtures from hooked it up with the hooks. Men's tailored. This probably came from a suit store. It's time. We finally installed the window decals on the front. So we got this big Kings Masterized logo, which is gonna go on the door, and then KMR gallery. Dude, I'll show you a photo of what it's supposed to look like, okay? For now, we'll just clean. Alright guys, it's a visual. Right there where you have it is perfect. Yeah.
Creases and shit.
I see. 1 out of 3. Starting to look a lot cleaner in here. Hey. Yo, good job, dude. Thanks for the help. Woohoo! Still needs a little bit more organizing, but other than a few toys, maybe Gundams, figures, a 50-inch plasma that I'm gonna try and snag off Kijiji or something, Craigslist. And here's starting to look a little more homely, kind of like a studio space. This is where we're gonna come out with ideas. That's the plan. But we need a bigger table. Other than that, here's the store front. And still need to clean the rest of the garage space. I have big plans for this area. Bruh, we've been driving on a flat tire.
It's like not anything.
I kept the stock, so we're just gonna replace this. Oh, crits. Nice shirt. Sick.
Oh my god, Brady, can you sign my shirt?
That's what the old Mazda symbol looks like. I actually like those wheels. Those are the stock Mazda wheels for the MX-3, so.
It works well without water,
Crits, thanks, man.
but if not,
Damn, it's green too. Sweet. It's like it's stronger than bleach.
It melts through a carpet and everything.
Holy crap, man. Okay, I ain't touching. And we still have to put the rest of the stickers up today. Whoa!
You want to check it?
What the fuck? That explains. Yo, we slashed our own tire, bro. Don't worry, those are just the winters, but that's pretty lame.
So light, this wheel?
That's how you turn a truck sideways with no one driving. Yeah, fixed. Looks like your drift spares. Oh, summer is finally here. Thank God.
Go back to stone.
Yeah, I know, right? Those are the actual summer tires, man.
Oh, are they?
Yeah, they're Falcons. They actually probably perform better too. Torque by feel. That's how you know you're pro. Guys, I still have no idea where my car is. It's somewhere between Toronto and here. Just crossing my fingers it makes it before the Driven Calgary show.
I'll take it for a test drive, but I won't go fast.
Yeah, just don't push. All right. See you when you get back from the gym.
Back in a couple hours.
Progress. Finished cleaning that side up. I'm just gonna take a small break from wiping floors while I wait for Shane to come back from the gym. He says he's gonna be picking me up some Wendy's, so that's good because I'm starving. I haven't really had lunch yet and it's almost 5 p.m. You gotta get this car out of here if I want to paint the entire floor, and right now it's up on jack stands, so the only reason why we haven't put the wheels back on and we haven't moved it out yet is because we're trying to finish the wrap, and it's taking us way longer than it should. For my own personal FRS, it actually took me like 4 days, and that's taking necessary breaks. That's being patient, and that's taking your time. This, however, has taken us almost all winter. Take my word for it. Never try to do chrome wrap yourself. Leave it to the professionals because chrome is stubborn as fudge, and I don't see myself ever working with it ever again, especially for an entire vehicle. We're gonna do our best to try and finish up the front bumper and the rear bumper, and I'm just prepping it right now. Yeah, if you guys are wondering whatever happened to the IPL bumper, just said F it and we'll go for real parts. So now Shane is just playing the waiting game and saving up for legitimate G37 pieces. Cool. Yeah, that's badass. How are you? Good, dude. Welcome. Yo, man, can I take a look at this? Oh, is that right? Oh, yeah, no, you're here for Driven.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, so you mean you drove this thing?
Yeah,
all the way? Yeah, holy man. What? Oh, yeah, for sure, man. Janard?
Yeah,
Nice to meet you, man, yeah. No, I came across your page when they said that you were coming all the way from Yukon, so.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
It's not done yet.
Yeah. No, that's cool. Dude, so beautiful outside. Yo, so this guy's actually from Whitehorse, Yukon. And he's rocking the Battle Arrow spoiler like I am. Shout out to Happy Endings. That's funny. Ooh. Clean. Gonna attempt to put this thing on. Yep. Thank you, sir. Alright, so I guess we'll line it up. I'll just tape it where we need to keep it, and then we'll try this water technique. Yeah.
There we go.
Hey, looking good. Woo! Yo, thanks for the help, man.
Yeah, no problem, dude.
Shane, we finally, it's a little more official. Hey.
It's more nicer.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, for the most part, they're all stuck on the window, so they're okay.
Take care, man. I hope that works. She has no idea. Chris. If you guys don't already know, he's rocking my Phase 1 splitter. Yeah, this is sick.
30.
It's like, damn, man, so clean.
Can't wait to freaking put that
Dude, it's not as deep dish as I thought.
Yeah, I don't like you.
All right, let's attempt this stud.
Getting there, man.
Progress. Good idea.
Alright, Mr. Blanchard.
Kate Blanchett.
Mosquito. Okay.
Envelop it. Cover it? Okay, I'll just try to lift. Lift and drift. Ah! Yeah, it's gonna wrinkle in time there, sir. I got word that my car might actually be here tomorrow evening, but that's pushing it. It's in Winnipeg right now, and that's still like a 14-hour drive. It really all depends on the truck driver and how he's feeling. Also the weather too, and how it's feeling. Exactly. You don't want to overwork it. This kid's learning.
Yay.
Alright, so this is what we're going to be putting on the ground. Rust-Oleum floor coating. And we got the midnight black. So I didn't actually get those flakes that you're supposed to be putting on it, so we can see everything that falls on the ground. And right now I'm just taking the liberty of masking off the walls, and then I'll try to make just a little batch of it so I can get started on this side.
Vlog, video.
Are you serious? Buddy. Yeah? I'm keeping it. Yeah, dude, you know what? For first timers, chrome, it's okay. Did pretty decent, I'd say. I ran out of green tape, so I didn't get to mask off the rest of the walls. But tomorrow is gonna be a U-Haul day, and not all that much time before the grand opening. Just gonna call it a night, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. So take care, guys. All right, dudes. Peace. Ciao.